जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Our esteemed chief guest, honorable manager sir, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear students, good morning. First of all, a very warm and happy Republic Day to all of you. On this day, 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India has been adopted. It was on this day when India became republic with a government for the people, by the people. We gather today to celebrate the honor that our republic stands for: liberty, equality and fraternity. So now I would like to invite our talented girls Nupur Punyani and Namra Rangres from class 8 to join the stage for hosting today's program. So please give a big round of hands together.
Thank you, ma'am, for inviting us. And honorable manager sir, principal sir, respected teacher, and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. Myself, Namra Rangris from class 8.
Myself, Nupur Punyani from class 8.
First of all, wishing you a very happy birthday to all.
I am Nupur and it is my pleasure to welcome you on this auspicious day as we gather here to celebrate 76th Republic Day of our great nation, India. Here we have Vande Mataram group to give tribute to our great freedom fighters.
Yes, Republic Day is a day to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighter.
Today our celebration begins with our most representative speech. As it is said that speech is a mirror of the soul. Now for this speech I would like to call Afi to please join the stage.
Give a big round hands together.
Thank you, sister, for inviting me. Good morning, everyone. Honorable manager sir, principal sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all. My name is Afia Abdi from class 8. Today is 26 January and we are celebrating Republic Day of our nation. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrate this day with a great pride and happiness. On this day, in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Our constitution is the largest written constitution with the whole world. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is the father of our constitution. Constitution provides its fundamental right to its citizen irrespective caste, gender, religion, education and more. Our freedom fighter fought continuously against British. So we can never forget the dedication of our country. So we should salute them on such a great occasion by remembering them. So we should also respect our constitution. Republic Day makes us realize the importance of our democracy. It teaches us to live in peace and unity. So let us pledge that we will make our country is the best country in the world. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Happy Republic Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, brother, for such a wonderful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round hands together.
गणतंत्र दिवस हमें हमारे बलिदानों स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों द्वारा किए गए बलिदानों को याद दिलाता है। आज जब हम एकजुट हैं तो आइए उस विरासत पर विचार करते हैं जिसने उस भारत को आकार दिया। For this performance, I would like to call Kashish to please join the stage. Please give a big round of hands together.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, प्रबंधक, अतिथिगण, अध्यापिकाएं एवं मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम कशिश है और मैं कक्षा 8वीं की छात्रा हूँ। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। गणतंत्र दिवस की विशेषता यह है कि इस दिन हमारे देश का संविधान 26 जनवरी 1949 में स्वीकार किया गया। भारतीय संविधान जो हमारे देश का सर्वोच्च कानून दस्तावेज है, 26 जनवरी 1950 में लागू हुआ। गणतंत्र दिवस को हर साल 26 जनवरी को मनाया जाता है। इस दिन गणतंत्र और संविधान लागू हुआ था। भारतीय संसद में भारतीय संविधान के लागू होते ही हमारा देश लोकतांत्रिक गणतंत्र बन गया। इसे हम राष्ट्रीय पर्व के रूप में मनाते हैं। इस दिन का राष्ट्रीय अवकाश घोषित किया गया है। भारतीय सेनाइयों जल थल नभ द्वारा भव्य परेड की जाती है और राष्ट्रपति को सलामी दी जाती है। तिरंगा हमारे देश की शान है। यह 3 रंगों में बांटा गया है। तिरंगे में सबसे ऊपर केसरी रंग है। यह रंग साहस और बलिदान का प्रतीक है। तिरंगे में के मध्य में सफेद रंग है। यह रंग शांति का प्रतीक है। तिरंगे में सबसे नीचे हरा रंग है। यह रंग हरियाली का प्रतीक है। सफेद रंग के बीच में अशोका चक्र है। अशोका चक्र में 24 तिल्लियां हैं। हमारे स्कूल और अन्य स्कूलों में झंडा फहराया जाता है और अंत में पूरा वातावरण जनगण मन से गूंज उठता है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Kashish, for your awesome performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round hands together.
Now we have another speech. For this speech, I would like to call Ahmed to please join the stage. Please give a big round of hands together.
Thank you, sister, for inviting me. Honorable manager, sir, principal, sir, respected teachers, and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. Myself, Ahmed Hassan Khan from class 8. Today I am here to stand before you to talk about something that fills my heart with emotions. That proud to be an Indian. I proud to be an Indian because our country, the land of rich history, diverse culture, and the land of monument and values. India has given the world wisdom, knowledge, and innovations, and continue to lead in fields like technology, art, and spirituality. Let us take all pride to be an Indian and work toward to building a future that reflects the best of what our country that stands for justice, equality, and freedom for all. Our diversity, our strength. We belong to a country that embraces people for every walk of life, every religion, every culture, and every language. Let us all rise to make our India prouder, stronger, and more valuable. Thank you. Happy Republic Day.
Thank you, Ahmed brother, for such a wonderful performance. Give a big round hands together.
Again, we have one more speech on our constitution. For this speech, I would like to call Mehdiya to please join the stage. Please give a big round of hands together.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers, and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. Myself, Mehdiya, belong to class 7. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day to all. And today I am here to share my views with you on our Constitution. The Constitution of India is adopted on January 26, 1950. It's not just a legal document, but the very soul of our democracy. It lays down the framework of our government, defines structure, power, duty of institution, and guarantees fundamental right and freedom to every citizen. It is the foundation upon which our nation stands tall, answering justice, equality, and liberty for all. Constitution was drafted by Constitution Assembly, which led by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, often referred to principal architect of all. The Constitution, this assembly deliberate before presenting a document. that reflect the aspiration of every Indian. In conclusion, the Constitution of India is not merely a set of law. It is the expression of idea, hope and dream as a nation. Thank you. Thank you, Mehdiya sister, for your mesmerizing performance. Put your hands together.
We have one more speech on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, also known as Chacha Nehru, who had an immense love for children and saw in them a future of our nation. For this speech, I would like to call Hibra to please join the stage. Please welcome her with a huge round of clap.
A very fresh good morning to all. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day to all. Today, I am honored to speak about one of the most influential and beloved leaders in the history of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, who played a pivotal role in shaping the destiny of our nation. Pandit Nehru, affectionately called Chacha Nehru, by children, was born on November 14, 1889 in Allahabad. He was not just a freedom fighter but also a visionary, a thinker and a man deeply committed to the development and progress of India. He became the first Prime Minister of independent India on August 1947 and served in this role until his death in 1964. Perhaps one of the most memorable aspects of Nehru's legacy in his special connection with the youth of India. He saw children as the future of the nation and dedicated much of his work to improving their welfare. His birthday, November 14, is celebrated as Children's Day in India to honor his love and concern for the younger generation. He believed that by providing children with a solid foundation in education, values and culture, they would grow up to be responsible citizens and contribute to nation building. Thank you. Happy Republic Day.
Thank you, Hibra, for such a wonderful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round hands together.
We shall be proud to be an Indian. To present this feeling, I would like to call Mavish to please join the stage. Please give a big round of hands together.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, good morning. Happy Republic Day to all. My name is Mavish from class 8. Today I stand before you to talk something that fills my heart with immense pride being an Indian. Proud to be an Indian. I am proud to be an Indian because our country is a land of rich history, diverse culture and the land of monuments and values. India has given the world wisdom, knowledge and innovation and continues to lead in fields like technology, art and spirituality. Let us take pride to be an Indian and work towards building a future that reflects the best of what our country stands for: justice, equality and freedom for all. Our diversity is a state we belong to country that embraces people from every walk of life, every religion, every language and every culture. Let us all rise to make our Indian stronger, prouder and more inclusive. Thank you. Happy Republic Day to all. Thank you, Mavi sister, for such a wonderful performance. Third species or Republic Day, unite us all, our citizens, history, present and future.